Okay, let's jump right in. We are embarking on a seriously breathtaking journey today to uncover what is honestly one of Earth's most mind-blowing paradoxes. We're looking at a massive global-scale operation designed by nature itself, and it connects two places you'd probably never think belong together.
I mean, seriously, picture the vast, dry, warm, golden sands of the Sahara from way up high. Got it? Now ask yourself, how on earth can a dramatic, barren desert actually keep a lush, vibrant green rainforest alive? On the surface, these two biomes are complete opposites. No way they interact, right? Well, actually, they are locked in this spectacular planetary dance.
Let's look at this unlikely natural connection between two totally extreme environments. The contrast here is just completely stark. On one side of the globe, you have the Sahara. It's arid, it's golden, and it looks pretty lifeless, but it's actually a massive source of mineral-rich dust. And on the exact opposite end, separated by a deep blue ocean, is the Amazon. Lush, incredibly green, teeming with life, and acting as the ultimate receiver for those vital nutrients. Basically, what looks completely barren is actually a massive reservoir of life. So, how does it get there? Let's track this epic journey across the Atlantic, an amazing transcontinental migration. This whole thing plays out in three wild steps. First, these super powerful atmospheric winds just whip across the African continent, pulling up millions of tons of golden dust. Second, all that dust catches the upper air currents and dramatically sweeps all the way across the Atlantic Ocean. And then, finally, it arrives, settling gently right over the dense green canopy of the Amazon in South America.
And to put that into perspective, we are absolutely not talking about a light dusting here. Colossal, unimaginably huge volumes of mineral-rich dust are constantly flying across the globe. It's literally like a massive golden river flowing through the sky, connecting the continents. Which brings us to the power of phosphorus and the microscopic magic making this all work.
Okay, so if we zoom way down into the Amazonian soil, the crucial element we find is phosphorus. This is the exact microscopic magic that the rainforest desperately needs to survive. And guess what? Sahara dust is absolutely loaded with it. As that dust settles and mixes into the dirt, the massive plant roots absorb it as a vital fertilizer. Without this, that vibrant green canopy simply wouldn't be able to thrive. Now, I want to be incredibly scientifically precise about something here. The desert doesn't directly feed the Amazon. The rainforest is actually self-sustaining in a lot of ways. But the transported dust helps replenish and supply specific vital nutrients, like phosphorus, that the ecosystem constantly uses up. Basically, it's just nature's genius way of topping off the soil's battery. It's a beautiful example of one interconnected planet, a true global synergy. Because when you visualize that entire route spanning across a 3D Earth, the synergy is just spectacular. You've got the warm golden desert, a deep blue ocean acting as a bridge, and this incredibly vibrant green rainforest. You literally cannot look at the Amazon in isolation anymore, you know? Its health is tied directly to a totally different continent, a perfect natural connection right across the Atlantic. The wind isn't just moving air, it's literally moving life. The desert is not a dead zone at all. It's a reservoir of vitality for the rest of the world. It is, without a doubt, one of Earth's greatest natural connections. So I'll leave you with this pretty profound question to ponder. If it takes millions of tons of golden dust flying across a whole ocean to keep a rainforest green, the complexity of our planet is truly limitless. What other invisible rivers and spectacular hidden links do you think are keeping our world breathing right now?